Good evening, students. How are you? I hope you all are good. Okay, and happy at home. Okay, so I am your EBS teacher, and today I am going to explain you our second chapter, that is our body. Okay, this our second chapter is our body. So, children, in this chapter we can find some internal organs and some external organs in our body. We have so many organs in our body. Some of organs we can see, some organs we cannot see. Okay, so in our first page we have a activity. We have an activity. From this we will understand what are the organs we can see and we cannot see. Let's talk about this. Chapter is chapter 2 and topic is our body. Okay, so tick the correct box based on whether you can see the body part from outside or not. Okay, so these are some body parts. You have to find that body part whether you can see from outside or not. Okay, first one is nose. First one is nose. N-O-S-E, nose. So this is a body part. You have to answer it. Nose can see or cannot see. We can see our nose. Is it? Yes, we can see our nose. So nose can see. Okay, like this you have to pick the correct answer. Number 2 is eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. We have 2 eyes. So eyes we can see or we cannot see. We can see our eyes. So answer is eyes can see. Clear? Number 3rd is heart. H-E-A-R-T, heart. Heart can see or cannot see. We cannot see the heart because heart is an internal organ. We cannot see. So our answer will be heart cannot see. 4th one is ears. E-A-R-S, ears. Ears can see or cannot see. We can see our ears. Okay, we can feel our ears and we can see our ears. So ears can see. Ears can see. Last one is brain. B-R-A-I-N, brain. Brain is also an internal organ. So we cannot see our brain. So our answer will be we cannot see our brain. Okay, like this you have to complete the first activity given in our first page. Okay, now we will discuss the second one, that is our body. Our body. Our body organs. Our body has many organs. Okay, our body has many organs. They help us to do different things. They help us to do different things. Means different body organs have different functions. So this is a boy. Okay, this is a boy. Our body has many organs. Our body has many organs. They help us to do different things. Different things. Okay, our body has many organs. They help us to do different things. Suppose this is a boy. So he has a ear. He has an ear. Then eyes. Next nose, tongue and skin. Okay, with the help of eyes, with the help of eyes we can see. Okay, We can see with the help of our eyes. Next, ears. With the help of ears, we can hear. Okay, we can hear with our ears. Next one is nose. With the help of nose, we can smell. Okay, we can smell with our nose. Last is skin. With the help of skin, we can feel. Okay, we can feel with our skin. So these are the organs we can see from outside. We can see all the organs. Shown in the picture from outside. Okay. We can see all the organs from outside. Now let's talk about some internal organs. We also have some body organs that we cannot see from outside, like brain, heart, kidney, stomach. That organs we cannot see from outside. Okay, they are called internal organs. Okay, remember, they are called internal organs. Now tell me some name some internal organs. Our internal organs, some of our internal organs are, note that point, some of our internal organs are brain, lungs, L-U-N-G-S, lungs, stomach, kidneys and heart. Okay, these are some internal organs. Brain, B-R-A-I-N, brain. Lungs, L-U-N-G-S, lungs. Stomach, S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. Kidneys, K-I-D-N-E-Y-S, kidneys. Remember, we have two kidneys. Okay, kidneys. Then heart, H-E-A-R-T, heart. These are some internal organs. Okay, look at this picture. Here, these are the internal body parts. This is brain. Okay, this one is brain. These two are lungs. Look at this one, small balls are there. These two are kidneys. We have two kidneys. Okay, so these two are kidneys, and this one is our stomach. Clear? This one is our stomach. Now, what about our brain? What is the function of a brain? Do you know? Okay, from this chapter we will know what is the function of a brain and what is a brain. The brain controls each and every action we perform. Okay, the brain controls each and every action that we have done in our daily life. That action controls the brain. It also helps us to think and memorize. The activities. Okay, the brain is present inside our head. As we know, the brain is present in our head, but inside, not outside. It receives messages from different parts of our body. As we know, it receives different messages from our different parts of our body, like eyes, ears, nose, tongue. These are the different body parts. Okay, from these body parts, the brain receives messages. Then it gives signals to the other parts of our body in response to that message. Okay, Now how to look after our brain. Okay, how to look after our brain. We should wear helmets when riding a bike or a cycle. Remember, when we are going to ride a bike or bicycle, we should always wear our helmet. Okay, without helmet it may affect our brain. Next one is exercise our brain daily by learning new activities like indoor games, ludo, chess. These are some activities you can do it at home by exercising your brain. And last one is get enough sleep. Okay, get enough sleep. This is very important because sleep is also important for our brain to relax our mind. Okay, so learn these points and the chapter page number 12 up to page number 12. Read at home and learn all the activities I have shown in this video. Okay, practice and learn at home. In our next class I will come up with a new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.